What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new YouTube video. I know you're watching this YouTube video and you're thinking NFTs. Obviously, this Instagram account is not about NFTs, but these are. And every single one of these accounts are promoting their businesses the exact same way, and they're using Instagram bots. They're selling NFTs using Instagram bots. Guys, I've spoken about Instagram bots before. You guys know this. Instagram gets you attention. The crazy thing is that NFTs are a trend right now, and a lot of people are getting into the NFT crypto space. There's a lot of hype behind it, and it's making it easier and easier for people to actually be consumers in the NFT space. I'm going to share with you guys what these people are all doing to grow their Instagram accounts, and more importantly, I'm going to show you guys how to actually do it, right? And the more important part, I'm going to explain how I use it, because NFTs is a little bit of a foreign concept to me. I am very aware of all the mechanics behind it, OpenSea, non-fungible tokens, all of that. I'll kind of explain that whole entire process, and maybe if you've never, sold NFTs before, this might be a whole new world for you. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. So as you guys could see, these are Instagram accounts, right? That every single one of them are doing something in common. Every single one of them. Well, they're all growing. They're all growing their Instagram accounts, but only the most important thing that's in common amongst them is the method as to how they're growing. See, we all know that Instagram has one problem. Organic traffic is just non-sustainable. It just doesn't happen, right? We have to wait years and years and years to grow our Instagram accounts. If we have no fans and no followers and we're starting to grow from scratch, I mean, it's just going to take years to even get 30 followers, 100 followers, 50 followers, 5,000 followers. It's going to take us forever, especially with no outside promotion from things like YouTube, from Twitter, from, all these other social media platforms. So what's the key? Well, it's just purely engagement. It's using an Instagram bot to grow your Instagram followers. I'll explain what I mean. So if you look here on the followers, you can see here that the following number is drastically high. We have here a following of 4,609 on the New Face Tiger Club NFTs. Here we have a following of 3,000 on Ninja Universe NFT. Here we have the Lycan Lineage, 1,382 following. Here we have YP Triceratops NFT, 2,515 following. Now, every single one of these accounts are using, like I said, the same method, which is essentially what they do is they go out there and they engage with other people who might be interested in what they're selling. And you can see here, their methods are obviously working. They're posting pictures of products that they're selling, right? So you can see here all these different photos, okay? And these are literally NFTs that they have sold through their account. So you can see here this image was posted, and it was saying, hey, go buy it, and they say the address of the NFT, all that, right? But if we go here and we look up just a few days later, boom, the item has sold, this exact NFT. Why do you think that is? It's because of the actual Instagram account. The Instagram account is the one that's buying attention for the business. And in this case, the business is creating NFTs and selling them. Now, what is an NFT? Very simply put, it is a non-fungible token. Non-fungible token, what it really is a one of one. It is something that is exclusive, whether it be a simple image, whether it be a physical product, whether it be an image and a physical product. That's kind of the most simple way that I can explain it. And right now, the value of a certain NFT, the value of a certain crypto, is basically valued at a certain number due to what people say it is at, right? So, for example, if everybody stopped having interest in Bitcoin, the price would go down generally, right? Like if nobody really cared about it anymore, right? If everybody stopped talking about it, if everybody stopped using it to transact, the value would go slightly down. It's the same thing with an NFT, right? If nobody buys this NFT, then the value of this NFT is essentially non-existent because nobody purchased it, right? It's essentially what these products are you could think of virtual products that somebody has to put a value on to know that it's priced, what it's priced at. So if you're new to NFTs, you kind of have like a little background now. Now, what is this whole NFT thing? There's a website called OpenSea. OpenSea is where you can sell NFTs. Now, the biggest drawback about selling NFTs is that you're going to have to pay the gas fees up front for your, for your item that you're going to sell. And you're going to have to pay certain, prices up front in Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is, the gas is not ideal. It's expensive a little bit, but, it is what it is. It's part of the game. But these people who've been selling NFTs, they have been rising to the top and winning in the NFT game because they figured out how to do marketing. And for them, it's just simply using a cheap tool, right? So let's go ahead and take a look here. I want to see some of the NFTs and how much they actually sell for. So let's go ahead and open up the NFT from OpenSea here. And we can see here that 127 items, volume traded, 0.82 Ethereum. We can look here, guys, and we can see the prices for the NFTs, right? We can see the actual prices. Now, I'm just curious, just for, curiosity's sake, what is 0.1 Ethereum lead to? $31.27. So every time this person is making a sale, selling an NFT, you can see here it says sold, right? Sold. All of these NFTs that are actually selling are selling for about $32. So if you multiply that just in the past few days, you have this NFT, you have this one, that could be $200 right there, $500, whatever it is, depending on how many that have actually sold. And you can see here a bunch have sold already as I scroll down. So how can you do this yourself? I'll show you how to do it. There's a website that sells these Instagram bots. They're tools that help you grow your Instagram. One of those websites is igbots.org. Now, if you've watched my YouTube channel, you know about this website already. If you're new to this channel, maybe you do know about it already. Who really knows? But this website sells what I call I don't call it, but that's what it says, optimal bot follow, unfollow, like. So what this tool can do for you is that you can follow, you can unfollow, and you can like people's accounts. Now, what do? I actually create designs on a website called Redbubble, and I sell those designs. And what they're physical products. So, for example, this is one of my products. Let me go ahead and show you guys here. Maybe if I can pull it up, that would be great. Okay, so I can't pull it up here. Let me just go ahead and navigate to my view shop, and we'll just check it out. So you can see here, these are some of the products that I sell on my demo store. So really what my demo store is the store that I show publicly to the world on YouTube, right? And so here is a demo. Here's a product that has sold just through using Instagram bots as an example, right? And this product is a sticker of a cross with roses behind it. Now, that's kind of the way that I use Instagram to sell. Other people use it to sell through NFTs. And you can see here, like I said, the way we know that they're using Instagram bots for a fact is because their following is so high. 2,515, 1,382, 3,000, and finally 4,609. And we see a direct relationship. When the following goes up, when this number goes up, so does this number, the followers. The followers is the most important thing because that's where the traffic and the income comes from. Selling is effectively digital products that really don't cost any money to produce. It just takes time. So how do you do this? How do you set this all up? Well, there's a website called igbots.org, like I said. The tool looks like this. I actually have the tool already installed on my computer. You can see this is how it looks. There's a follow button, unfollow button, and a like button. Now, if you don't want to pay for this tool, $119 up front, you can literally go to Bots and Apps Gumroad. I'll leave this link in the description box down below. I'm an affiliate of this company, and they sell their products separately for a monthly price. So if you want to access, for example, the follow unfollow tool, where you can follow people on Instagram using a tool, it's $19.99 a month. If you want to do the like, it's $9.99 a month. If you want to do the comment, it's $9.99 a month, right? And so what you do is you go to Instagram, right? Let's say I had an NFT company. I would go to Instagram, I would select whoever, the largest NFT accounts are, and I would start following their audience. But I wouldn't do it manually. I wouldn't do it like this. I'll show you guys. I wouldn't click on follow, because what I'm doing to Instagram is I'm invariably signaling to Instagram that I'm a robot because I'm just clicking follow with no breaks in between. A normal human being wouldn't do that, wouldn't follow people with no breaks in between. A normal human being would click follow, wait a little bit, scroll, take some time, and then follow again, right? So it takes, that's what a normal human being does. So that's what this tool does, right? So I could just go over here to this tool and I could set a certain limit of follows that I want. Let's say I want 50 follows, right? I want to reach out to 50 people. I want to gain 50 people's attention in the NFT space. Then when I go here and delay maximum, delay minimum, and I would leave this number at like 20, let's say, or 30 is even better. And I would leave this number at 70, let's say, right? So from 30 to 70 seconds, every 30 to 70 seconds, it will do a follow. So maybe one time it's going to randomly wait 40 seconds. Another time it's going to randomly wait 42 seconds. Another time it's going to wait 50 seconds, 70 seconds, 64 seconds, 32 seconds, right? It's going to be random as to how it follows people. And then what it's going to do is all I'm going to do is just click the follow. Now, the reason why I'm not going to apply these numbers here is because I want to show you how it works, and it would take too long for us to sit here and wait a full 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put from 2 seconds to 7 seconds here, just so you guys can see how this works. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this button once, right? So right now I'm hovering over it. Once you hover over it, it turns blue, and then the blue goes away. What you want to do is you want to just click just once, simply just once, right? And then what it will do is it will wait for, depending on the amount of seconds you set, and then it will start doing the follows for you. You could see here it already started. It liked this account called Bald Frenchie, and it's about to like the second account, or follow the second account rather, called Rabish Rathor, whatever that person's name is. Then it's, going to keep going. Now, me personally, you guys can tell, I don't sell NFTs yet, right? This is not something that I'm into yet, but I'm going to get into it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same process. But like I said, I sell products on Redbubble, right? And if you want to see some of my sales reports, I'll leave those links in the description box down below. I'll show my 30-day sales report and how I got a sale in the first 18 hours. Those 2 links will be in the description box down below if you want to go ahead and watch those videos. But what I do is I create like faith quotes, right? I create faith quotes like this, like this, like this. I put, pictures up. I put pictures of the products up, and that gains me a following, and it actually helps me grow my following and actually get sales because I'm driving more attention to my products. And to actually prove that, over the time of the past few days, let me just go ahead and shut this bot off because I don't want to do 50 whole follows. Look how many people have followed here already. You could see here it followed a ton of people. I'm just going to go ahead and stop it because it's moving so fast here. Okay, so it's stopped now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually pull up my notepad where these past videos, let me go ahead and show you guys the past 2 videos or 3 videos I made on Instagram where I've actually been documenting my growth and my success on YouTube with Instagram. So here's a video, and here's a video. I've been documenting every single, basically almost every day that I do use the bot, how many followers I grow. So I'm going to go over here and open up the notepad and search for results, which Instagram followers results documents. This is where I've shared it. And day 1, we started off with 500 followers and we gained a total of 33 followers. This was day 1, right? The next day after that, we gained another 29 followers after that. So our conversion rate was 25 the first day, and then our second day was 29. And really what a conversion rate means is that depending on who I target for my Instagram account, the more followers I'll get. So like, for example, for this account, if I target this account on my account, because you guys can see here the images are similar, right? The whole style where there's an image in the background, a quote, right? What happens is that will help me boost or get more followers. But if I, let's say, target an account like this, let's go ahead and pull it up, where it's all videos and like TikToks and things like that, I might not do as well because the style is not the same. Does that make sense? So what I want to do is I want to go for an account that has a similar style as me, and I want to click on their followers and just do the whole process there. And I'll tell you guys that where we left off was, let me just pull up the calculator here. we had 500, right? We gained 30. Let's see how many we gained the first day. Let's pull up the notepad again. So the first day we gained 32, so that's 532. And then so 532 plus 29. So we ended off at 532 plus 29, right? And that's 561. And right now we have a total of 590. And I've been away from the computer doing this Instagram for the past few days. So essentially, I didn't really follow that many more people, but I was getting more followers because of the later effect, right? Like by starting the bot, some people are on Instagram once a week. Some people are on once every 4 days, every 3 days. Some people are on every hour. So when I start the bot, right, I'm getting this drip feed of followers because some people, like I said, are on right away. When I engage with them, they're interested to see who I'm engaging with, and they're going to engage back with me. When I am engaging with certain people that are not active right away, and they see my engagement 3 days ago, 5 days ago, etc., they're going to essentially in real time click on it and follow me later down the road. So what that does is, like I said, it builds this drip feed of consistent growth and consistent engagement on my Instagram account. And that helps me create more sales. So the key to this is two things. You want to use the actual Instagram bot to help you gain the following and gain the followers. And then you want to sell products that people are genuinely interested in so that you can actually get them to click on the link and actually come up with the purchase. A lot of people make the mistake of selling products that people just don't care about, right? And they try to get sales, but they just can't because once again, the products are lackadaisical. So you have to find a way to find a happy medium in between the posts and the products to where people are actually genuinely going to want to buy your products, right? If you're going to use this method. Now, this method is not the be-all, end-all. There's different ways that you could sell NFTs. You could sell NFTs through Twitter. You can do it through YouTube. Maybe you're a celebrity and you can do it that way. There's different things that you can do, but this is just one of them. This is what I call the little guys approach, right? As little guys, we can't afford hundreds of thousands of dollars in advertising. We don't have access to thousands and thousands and thousands of followers. But what we could do is, yeah, we could afford a tool for $119 or even $20 a month that will help us grow our following and make sales. That's why I say it's the little guy's way of growing. And guess what? The little guy's method works perfectly well for everybody who's quote-unquote a little guy, just like me. I'm a little guy in the industry, right? I'm not, some sort of Logan Paul celebrity where I could sell hundreds of thousands of dollars and millions of dollars of NFTs, because I don't have that following, right? So what I'm trying to say here is that just because you don't have a following doesn't mean you can't build it up using an Instagram account. So you can see here, on average, I'm roughly gaining like 30 followers a day when I follow 100 to 120, anywhere from 100 to 150 people, but on average, let's say 120 people, which really is about a 30% conversion rate, or a quarter, maybe a little bit more than that. But what I'm trying to say here is that it's consistent growth each and every day. So if this is something you're interested in, like I said, I'll leave all the links down below. The 2 free videos of showing my 30-day sales report, and then another free video showing how I got my first sale in 18 hours using this tool. And also I will show, I'll put up the links to the monthly tool if you're interested, and I'll also put up the link to the $119 tool. Now, if you're new to these tools, you're gonna have to know how to install the tool. They actually give it in their documentation, but I've made a full-on free course that shows how to do this if you need help with it. And so what I did was, on my website, autopilotpassiveincome.com, if you guys go ahead and check it out and click on other here, Instagram Redbubble mini course. If you sign up for this course, it will show you how to install those Instagram bots on your computer. What they are, they're extensions to your browser that can help you get it to work. All right. And something that I would say is this course is completely for free, so it's not like I charge for it or anything like that. And if you guys are interested, like I said, watch those free videos. They're pretty interesting, and make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out. And yeah, I'll leave all the links in the description. I'll also leave, guys, the link in the description to this free course if you need it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.